Hey guys, how's everyone doing this morning? So I want to bring you some information that's kind of shocking. I think it's important to know, especially if you're in the market for a new vehicle from Acura or Honda right now. So let me go ahead and explain what just came out. So this just came out a few weeks ago. So if you guys are in the market for electric vehicles and you might be cross shopping like the Honda Prologue and the Acura ZDX, well, this might have you thinking twice about going that direction. Now, this is just one case, but it kind of will show you some of the problems that lie ahead for the EV market right now. So a customer bought a Acura ZDX from a dealer and they put just 400 miles on it and then it stopped charging. So then they took it back to the dealer and Acura instructed the dealer to replace the entire battery. So they did that, and you think that'd be the end of it, it'd be fixed. But no, then sensors started popping up, and so they contacted Acura again, and they were told to replace the wiring harness. So they did that, replaced the wiring harness, and the code still appeared. So fast forward 8 months, and they've been talking with Honda to see what to do about this. And during those 8 months, the car is undrivable. So it has been sitting at the dealer's lot since it can't be driven. Since after putting the new battery pack in, it won't charge anymore either. So I'm sure it's a nightmare for the customer that bought this car. So because of all this actual dealership is suing Honda, stating that they've been asking for assistance with how to fix this vehicle, and they've gotten nowhere in 8 months. And the ZDX just sitting on their lot. And it shows that this particular dealer was forced to take a total loss on the vehicle. So it kind of sounds like that this dealer bought it back from the customer, which is a great move if they did, because it says that they took 100% loss on it. But very frustrating, I'm sure, for the buyer who had to deal with this for 8 months. The car sitting at a dealer, probably have loaner cars, and then the dealer that bought it, and now they can't even fix it, so it's just sitting on their lot. And it said they paid $69,207 for it retail is what they bought it for. So it kind of sheds some light on the EV market right now, especially with how everything is. And when there's problems like this, you can't really fix it yourself. And as this case shows you, even the dealer doesn't know how to fix it. Replacing, the battery in it, which is the big component, then the whole wiring harness, you think that would fix it, and it still does not work, and it won't even hold a charge, so you can't even use it. So to me, right now, I think the EV market's too new to invest that much money in. You're talking, these things cost over $70,000. If you get the Acura one, the ZDX, and then the Honda Prologue, I think it's a little bit cheaper, but I think it still runs in the 60s. So it's not cheap. I personally would just stick to the gas version, or a good mix is the hybrid versions. Gives you great mileage, does a little of both, and they've been around for a long time. So I think they've kind of perfected that. Where this full EV, at least from Honda and Acura, still seems like it has its issues. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention, just in case you're in the market for it. These kind of stories come up, and it's not a minor thing. I mean, you're talking a total loss, and then the headache. You just paid for this, and I'm sure you make payments on it while you're going through all this too. So, just do your homework if you're shopping these kind of EVs before you put your hard-earned money on it. Again, so I just wanted to keep you guys informed of what's going on. Let me know if you have any issues, if you have this vehicle or the Prologue, if you've had any issues with it, or what your thoughts are on it. I'd like to get, actual feedback from owners as well. Okay, so I appreciate it as always. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.